You guys, you see her hair? It is so beautiful. Hey, Transformation family. It's your girl, Celeste from Modest Transformation. In today's video, we're going to be reacting to Ray's mixtape, her Auburn Quick Weave Layered Transformation. And let me tell you, this slay is unreal. From the color to the layers, the install is a whole vibe. Please subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and let's get into the video. I love it.
Towards the top, and I'm adding.
So right now she's using her paper wrap, where you can use on the dryer, or you can get quick weave, ladies, or protect the style. So she's gonna sew down her wig cap. So I think she have a black and a nude, but she just doubled it. So she just sewing around the perimeter, and I think she's gonna sew around the back. A lot of people do their quick weaves very differently. I never done a quick weave in my life because I'm scared. So yes, but to ladies that do it, y'all do a wonderful job, and it looks amazing. It looks very natural. I just do wigs and clip-ins and a half wig sometimes. So she's sewing it down, you guys. She's cutting the excess off, so you guys see the nude cap now. So she have her closure and she have her bundles. So she's going to, I think the closure she have is a 2x6. So just about like that size, which is good because they're about like wide closures. So she's gonna just put it right there on the side. But she wants it to look natural and look really good. So she's just applying it, and she's gonna put her wig band back on so it can melt the lace. So she's going back and sewing in that closure around the base. Excuse me, around the base. And now she's doing the opposite side of the closure as well. So the closure is like a U, but it's like a long U. So she's just going around and sewing it down instead of gluing it, because you can glue your lace closures down, not just lace glue but hair glue. So now she's going to start applying from the bottom. Also guys, when you do your quick weave, please measure your hair and from the bottom to the crown. So she is applying it around the crown.
Can be very dimensioned.
So she have brown and she have like this copperish color, and I believe she did color this hair. I think I seen the short that she did. I fell in love with it. I feel like the color is very beautiful and it complements her skin tone, and I fell in love with it
because I didn't want this.
So I do love the color. I think this is the video with the copper look. It looks good. So she's going around. I mean, she do it so perfectly, and she just going around in the U shape. With me, it'll be all cricket. So she almost done, you guys. And then she did plait her closure, because when she take it loose, it can blend and it won't be stuck to the lace closure, the hair glue.
Now we can see.
So I love the color. It's very beautiful. So now she was moving her band. So you guys see that lace closure is sleek, and she's just removing the lace with eyebrow archer. You can't use the eyebrow archer to remove the lace. You don't have to do all that specific zigzag and all that. Just cut it. Trust me, you'll like it. It'll be natural. Oh, she was applying a little bit of some glue. So she putting the wrapping paper back around so it can lay flat. So she's gonna put a little bit of mousse to her roots, and she's combing it down. So she's gonna blow dry it out. She's using a wig brush and a blow dryer, handheld blow dryer, and now she's cutting the layers. So that's what I wanted to see, because I really felt like this was amazing.
Usually I glide my scissors down
so she's cutting the layers.
But for this style,
I can do the layers a little bit myself, but I'm not really specifically like all of that, but I can do a little something. So as you guys see, she's cutting the layers.
I don't know if it's
in the front.
when I do my regular layers, my scissors never fully closed.
Then she's doing a wonderful job, by the way.
I kind of.
And I believe she do hair. I think she's on IG.
Gonna be our guy.
I will leave everything in the description below,
exactly what
so you guys can follow her.
Because we are bringing each section all the way up to the top.
She's lifting the hair and she's cutting away.
The shortest, because it has the furthest to travel up. So that is going to be our guide on where we're going to cut the.
But that's why I usually used to do the wigs and then like try to cut it. But it really be good to cut it on yourself so you can see how you want it, how it's framing your face.
Here we go. So we're combing up all the way to the top.
So she's holding her hair all the way at the top and she's just trimming.
There's our guide.
Trim. Bending down. She's cutting it.
Oh, I did it. But I want to show you.
And this is what I don't know how to do. I'm using the big curlers.
In this hairstyle.
I'm still trying to learn how to do that because I usually just use flexi rods.
Backwards.
So, you know, I'm not perfect with the barrel and the curling iron barrel. So, some people are really good at it. But I just use flexi rods. Both mainly. Or I use one curl. Oh, it's so pretty, you guys. Look how the curl's coming out. It looks really good. She did a really wonderful job. I love that hair color too. She really did that. I might be wrong. I don't know if that's copper, but it's like a ombre with the brown. But I like it. It complements her skin. She looks really pretty, and she's cutting the layers more.
And the best way,
and I love the side bang. It's giving me a Leah. I like it. I really do.
To where it's flipping.
I like how she customizing with the layers. It's giving more definition, more volume. And she looks really good.
As you can see, it's already
It's really beautiful.
Layered effect.
You did a really great job. Ray's Mixtape. That's her name on YouTube, you guys. She really did a wonderful job. I can't say nothing else. She killed this. I wasn't able to do that, but she looks really good.
After all the combing and cutting, you might have to.
The way she's curling it, and I just loved how she have it in a Pacific way. It's bouncy, it's flowy.
So it didn't sit as
the color combination is
touch up any curls that you need.
It's on T. It's on T. It's on T. It's on T. I think she's using her Sebastian Holding spray. That's Sebastian. That might be wrong, but I love it. You did a wonderful job, and it's moving and have body. Oh my gosh. Like, I really wish I can do this. I really want to do the attempt of doing this. I really like this. She did an amazing job. I cannot stress that enough. She's going to go back in with the bang, layer it a little bit. She's going to go back with the curling iron, the barrel.
Alright, so we are on the
and I love the side bang with the layered look. Yes, ma'am. I had to stop by and do this. I seen it on my feed. I gotta do a reaction to this. I just want her to know that I love it. This is a beautiful style. She did amazing. She took her time, and I love the colors, and I love how she did the closure. It wasn't nothing too big, nothing. I love the layers. It's beautiful. I love it. You did that, mama.
I'm gonna fluff out the layers.
She killed that, you guys.
A little bit more, add a little hairspray, and that's pretty much gonna be the final look. This style came out so beautiful. And let's not forget to mention that if this is a 2x6 closure,
I'm still in shock because
I can still put it behind my ear.
She did amazing.
This is it. Let me know how you guys like this video. Comment, give me your feedback.
Yay, I love it.
Already subscribe.
Would you guys try this hairstyle, the Auburn Slay layered with a 2x6 closure? I know I would, but I wish I can get that color, and I wish I also can layer the way she did. She took her time. She was very in tune, and I just loved how she had the body. I just was so amazed, and I just love to see more talent of black young women And you know, this is a transformation channel, so I love to showcase other women, especially my Black American women, to showcase their talent. You know, even though we don't get as much positive vibes, but as Black American women, we are very creative, stylish, and I just want to give my props and a round of applause to her. I love that. That is a fall look that is coming. So you guys, once again, please go subscribe to Ray's mixtape. I will drop it in the description down below. Follow her on Instagram as well. And you guys, get her up to 6,000 subscribers, please. All right, guys, thank y'all so much. If you guys want to see a part 2, I think she does have like how she dyed the hair color for that one. But if not, I think it was her. She did the L'Oreal with the copper. I believe it was. So if you guys get this video up to 200 views, we definitely do a part 2 of how she colored the hair. And yes, thank you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.